In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Following that, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. And then close and add. Now you can adjust all of those options however you want to. Or tap on Set as Default right away and click on Launcher Pro. Then wait. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by tapping on the same app, clicking on Set as Default, and choosing your default launcher. Sorry, misclick. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!